Hello, this is Lisa from JoyfullyArt, here to bring you another beautiful video. This is the painting from my last video. I did not like the flip cup, so when I turned the camera off, I did a swipe. It still turned out really dark, so then I painted some jellyfish. Still don't like it, so we're going to paint over this today. So, on with the next. Okay. I have leftover extreme sheen paint from a painting, and I'm going to add Deco Art Rose Gold into it, and a cloud mixture, which is also Deco Art. And it'll be a tree ring. So let's get started. Let's hope this one will turn out a lot better. And of course, these are all acrylic paints, you know that. My canvas is an 8x10. For all the new beginners, this is pour painting or fluid art, whichever one you want to call it. This probably should be enough for this small of a canvas, but whatever I have left over, I will use in another painting. One good thing about it. Just cover it up and you can keep it for a while. We'll end up with the cloud mixture. There we go. This is what it looks like in the cup. So we will start in the middle and make our tree ring. This doesn't bend as well as the paper ones, but we'll give it a go. See how it goes. Just make tiny rings. Got a lot of rose gold in there. There we go. It's pretty so far. I can tell I didn't level my sticks this time. I got new sticks and I was in such a hurry I didn't get them level. My paint's running off the end. Give it a torch. The air bubbles. There's no silicone in these paints, so any cells that come up are coming up natural. Right. I'm sorry about the plastic. I'm running low. And even though I was at the store this weekend, I forgot it. I'm going to go around and around. You want to go slow so that you don't tip off anything that you don't want to. Make sure you get the corners. You always want to get your weight back to the center so you can tell what your composition is and how it looks, where you want to go next. Really want to save this part. Look at that part right there. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to be really careful with it and try not to tilt too much of it off. I'm going to have to get some of it off, but let's bring it back so I can get some of that back. Go this way a little bit. This corner down here needs some. There we go. Bring it back to the middle. What do you think? Excuse that you can't see very well, but I want to try and get that back up to the middle. There we go. Wow, that really turned out pretty. Oops, except for right there. See some of the old canvas there. What do you guys think? I think that is gorgeous. I hope the cloud mixture comes through. I'm gonna get my hands wiped off so I can give it one more torch. I promise I won't mess with this one after I turn off the camera. Just keep the sides covered. This is perfect. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you so desire. If you have anything that you want me to do, any color combination. I do commission work, so if there's anything you want me to do for you, all the description and my contact information will be down at the bottom of the video. And I'd be more than happy to work with you. Please give all of this share with your friends and family. And as always, please have a great day.